Welcome. This next 10 minutes is devoted entirely to you. Make sure you're in a comfortable position and feeling warm. First, becoming aware of your breath. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Allowing your breath to slow down into a lovely rhythm. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. It's okay if you need to breathe out of the mouth. Keep up this breathing until it becomes relaxed. In and out. You might even find that a little helps the process. Make any sound that you feel is appropriate for you. Once you're able, breathe in through the nose and take it all the way down to the belly. If you're not able to breathe down into the belly, it's known as abdominal breathing. That's okay, don't worry about that. But just be aware that you've become accustomed to shallow breathing into your chest, and this is not optimal breathing for peace, for stress relief, or for calm. You're also not fully oxygenating your body, you're not using your diaphragm or your lungs to full capacity. But again, no stress, just awareness. You might find during this next 10 minutes as you relax that you are able to abdominal breathe. Just follow my voice and follow the process. It's very, very easy. In and out. You might find some thoughts arising in the mind. This is completely normal. Simply come back to the breath. And another strategy is you've already got your eyes closed, is to look downwards as if you're looking at your navel. This gives your eyes something to do, which is very helpful. It seems to slow down any thinking or keeps the mind busy, focused downwards, keeps the mind focused on the breath and what is happening in your body, which is exactly what we're wanting to achieve with this meditation. A nice big in-breath and a nice out-breath. Now taking this breath all the way down to your feet, in, down to your feet, and out. That feels so good. Taking the breath all the way down to your fingertips, breathing in, and breathing out. You're becoming totally aware of your body, of your feet with the breath, of your arms and your hands with the breath, and breathing down into the belly. It's as if that breath starts to spread through your torso. With every breath in, the breath expands throughout your torso. How much pleasure can you receive from this simple act of breathing in, breathing out, and awareness on your body. Remember to look downwards, and remember to come back to the breath if you start thinking about anything but the breath and your body. But if you do, it's okay. Please be gentle with yourself. Breathing in and breathing out. Expanding that breath upwards into your head. Filling your ears, and you're becoming totally aware of your physical body, whether you're sitting or lying down. You are present to the moment. Dropping your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, breathing into the belly and your breath expanding down your legs, your arms and your torso and your head. Staying with the breath, in and out, in and out. Keep going, you're doing very well. You may feel some tingling in your hands or your feet or through your body. You may even experience some emotion arising. Everything that arises is absolutely perfect. All you need to do is allow, breathe, and feel your body. Letting go. Letting go. And as you breathe in again, Start to wiggle your toes, your feet, your fingers, and bringing some movement back into the body. Your awareness back to wherever you are, the room, your car, your office, the great outdoors. I do hope that you found some benefits in this 10-minute meditation. Please subscribe if you would like more, and activate the notifications bell. That can be very beneficial as a reminder to meditate every day. I look forward to being the voice